the way back to the Mahabharata and the Bhagavad Gita, which are some ancient Indian texts. And there they talk about Vimanas. And in these Vimanas were talked about and written about that actually had Mercury engines and were able to levitate and fly silently across the land and transport the kings and elites from place to place. So we actually looked into that and said, could this be possibly real? And the more we looked into it, the more we found that it could potentially be very, very real theoretically. So we started...
Mystical artifacts, red mercury. In the 1940s, an Egyptian archaeologist named Zaki Said Ali discovered a strange viscous material hidden beneath the sarcophagus of the pharaoh Amun-Tefnakh. The liquid is known as red mercury. It was created by the Egyptians, has supernatural abilities, and is known to spontaneously create nuclear fusion. It is rumored that the substance can tear a hole between our dimension and that of the jinns. There are 3 types of red mercury: a toxic powder, a radiated liquid form, and lastly, when the liquid is imbued with a rare isotope, it makes the third, RM2020. It has a density of 23 grams, which makes it the most powerful element in existence, even superior to pure plutonium, which has a density of 20 grams. Whoever possesses the liquid will have the ability to communicate with the Jinn Kings. Gifting red mercury to a Jinn brings vast amounts of wealth. Late scientist Samuel T. Cohen, the father of the neutron bomb, stated that with just a particle accelerator, the mercury could be detonated, producing a mini pure fusion neutron event. This substance is said to be a key ingredient to creating the Philosopher's Stone. It is also used in powerful spells and dark rituals.
This rock supposedly contains red mercury inside of it, and it was found in Egypt, and it can do strange things. This, for example, is what the man is going to experiment right now with a water bottle. He approaches the rock, see what happens. Now he's going to experiment with a bottle of Coca-Cola, and this is what happens. Check this out. Now, red mercury is supposedly a substance that does not exist. It was technically used in the 40s to produce atomic bombs or something like that. Check this out. However, it was never proved that it existed. There's a lot to know about red mercury, and there's a lot of videos going on, and if you'd like to know more, leave a like for part 2 and I'll explain everything. Some people believe that these videos are just a hoax to sell these rocks online, these special artifacts. However, how do you explain these videos? There are tons of these videos and different types of rocks. I'll show you guys in a part 2. In my part 1 video, I showed you guys strange artifacts that were supposedly recovered in Egypt, a mysterious stone that supposedly has superpowers and is made of red mercury. In most videos, there's a person showing the date and the supposed superpowers that these stones have. Watch the water bottle. If you want, you can watch part 1 to understand more. Now here's the weird part. Red mercury does not officially exist, however in many videos out there you'll find several people showing some of its superpowers. Check this out. first person to talk about this mysterious substance was Arab alchemist Jabir ibn Hayyan, father of chemistry. This was in 700 AD. He wrote, "The most precious elixirs to have ever been blended on Earth were hidden in the pyramids." So what is really red mercury? Does it really exist? And does it really have superpowers? Or is it just a scam for people to sell these things for thousands of dollars? What's your take?